Hey you guys, in this video we're going to draw an Easter basket. It's going to be a lot of fun and I hope you're going to follow along with me. Let's get started. Before we start, here's a little preview of how our finished drawing turned out. And I hope you're really excited to follow along. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. Let's first draw the bottom of our basket. I'm going to draw a curve that goes across our paper but towards the bottom, so that we have room for the handle of our basket up here. Okay, now let's make this line thicker, or the top of the basket thicker. So we have two lines on each side that's short, and then we're gonna draw a curve. I'm gonna turn my paper sideways. Sometimes that makes it a little easier to pull the line towards me and to keep it smooth. There's the top of our basket. Okay, now let's draw the side, or the very bottom, coming down, and towards the bottom I'm coming in closer together so that it gets smaller. Okay, now I'm going to turn my paper again sideways, and we can draw the basket curving around in the corner, coming across, and then curving back in on the other side. There we go. Now let's draw the Easter eggs inside of our basket. I'm going to draw the first one right here in the front. Then we're going to draw the other ones a little bigger, and I'm going to tip them going the other way. And then let's draw another one over here too. And you could add even more eggs. You could add candy. You could add whatever you want to your Easter basket. I'm going to draw another egg right here in the middle. Next, let's add some Easter grass. We're going to draw big blades of grass coming out. We could draw another one right here. Let's draw some grass sticking out of our basket on this side too. And maybe some in between each of the eggs. So I'm going to draw some of the grass sticking out over here. Maybe one little piece here. And then let's draw some sticking out between these eggs. It's fun drawing the blades of grass really thick. I think that's cool style. Okay, now let's draw the bow up here on top of the handle. We're going to start by drawing a square for the knot. I also drew the corners curved in the square, so it's not just a block. Then we can draw the side of the bow. I'm going to draw a diagonal line coming out and curving on the top on each side, and then we'll draw it coming out of the bottom too. And then let's draw a two bumps for the side of the bow connecting the top down to the bottom. And then we can also make this look 3D by drawing a curve here. And we can also add a little wrinkle or fold. Now let's draw the end of the bow coming down. So we can draw an upside down V right in the middle, and then we'll draw the side of the ribbon a little shorter on the outside. And then we can connect these two lines with a smaller upside down letter V. Now we got it floating, we need to draw the handle. Let's draw it curving out from the side and coming down and connecting to the grass. We can do the same thing over here on this side, coming down and connecting here. Okay, now let's make the handle thicker. We can draw that same curve right next to it. And then we're gonna try to keep that same distance over here on this side. I think it got a little thicker. That's okay. And my bow is a little off to the left, but that's all right. The most important thing is to have fun and to practice. Don't worry about making your drawings look perfect. The next time we practice drawing a basket, I'll try to draw the bow more in the center. Also, if you're drawing with a pencil, you can erase and redraw things until you get it just the way that you want it. Okay, now we still need to color it, so this part I'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match my same coloring. But you could really use your own creativity to add different designs to the Easter eggs. You could also even add a background. All right, let's speed things up. We did it. We finished coloring our Easter basket and it turned out so cool, all colored in. I really hope you take time to color your drawings. Now you can change the designs of your Easter eggs. You could add more things, like I mentioned, even a background. You could even draw the Easter bunny. That would be really cool. Once I colored everything solid, I went back over with a second layer and darker colors to add shading on the bow and also the basket and even the grass. And I used that darker brown to add texture to make it look even more like a basket. You can also use a light gray to add a shadow at the very bottom. This makes our drawing look more 3D instead of flat. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing an Easter basket. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.